a tribute to your beloved husband and father. Thurwa weche ka osewachore mang'eny kabisa. Ng'ama nigi ite otimang'o? Ng'ama nigi wang'e bende otimang'o? To gipuonjowa mang'eny. Achiel kuomgi owachore ni riwruokwa e teko marwa kaka oganda dongi. Ni odwa en OD. And Baba, we want to say it before you. Some people think that when we are in broad-based government, and indeed we are in broad-based government, then this area is open to every political party. We are in broad-based government, and we defend the broad-based government. And we are grateful, Honorable Mbadi, Honorable Wandai, and our other sons and daughters are in broad-based government, and we will protect you. But Homa Bay in particular is an ODM zone, and we must be respected. Awacho koso kawacho. Kono jo maringo ringa but ka in kar baba. Marariyo baba, 111 your tools of war. We are in broad-based government because baba wacho ni wabede broad-based government. Wan kamichiayo wamo wantie. But thank you for being the statesman you are. Thank you for the leadership you have always showed. Before I allow the family to speak, because we are going very fast, Baba, let me condole you as we also condole the family. Baba has lost a true friend, a true soldier. And I saw it, Baba, and we knew it. Baba, you came from Dubai and straight from the airport into Were's home. And Baba, when you got information that Were had been shot, you were among the first to reach the hospital. I'm told you tested all his pulses to confirm he was truly dead. You know, Were was a friend. To the family of Were, your husband, your father, has been slain. But there is a good reason we call Baba. Baba. And he's truly there for you. Baba will continue to be there. Speaker of the National Assembly, immediately you got information that Were was killed, you dispatched your team to Parliament and you requested me to head a team. The team that the Speaker constituted together to help with the funeral program, be upstanding so that you can be acknowledged. Speaker, there are very many. Let me confirm that they have done a good job. You called me worried yesterday whether Were would be given the dignified send-off that he so richly deserves. And I promised you that the people of Kasipul, the people of Homa Bay, will bury their son as a hero. And I truly speak buried as a hero. Let nobody take it for granted that we are laughing in pain. Homa Bay County has borne the brunt of very many assassinations, Baba. With Tom Boya, you told me the other day, even Ojijoteko is not buried in our land here. Odhiambo Mbai, Orua Ojode. There are very many. Tinu Uda Juang, they are burying Were. We are come because our people have sent us. And again, a number of people have been arrested. They go up to around 10 now. And we have a good team of lawyers joining the prosecution to deal with the matter. Tom Kupere, thank you. Apollo Mbuya, thank you. You have the reports. But I tell you, Baba, our people believe there are people outside there. That the people who have been arrested are mere executors. They want to say it cannot happen, and it will not happen when we are in broad-based government. We will not rest as the leaders of Homa Bay. I don't take it lightly that we can afford a smile here. We will not rest until we know who killed our son. And may this be the first time, Baba, when a political assassination of this level is being unraveled. And we want to thank government for what they have done. But even if Homa Bay, even if the person is from Homa Bay, even if that person is seated here, we will not spare. We want to know what killed our son. Gimangenyo, Speaker, you never pulled your hand back. You went beyond the limits that Parliament normally provides for such programs. May I thank you so much for the support you gave. When Parliament went down, you went into your own pockets. On behalf of the family, because they're mourning, I thank you. Baba, all you've done, I thank you so much. And I onge giteko gikmamoko miwacho. But were no thoko wacho ni loyalty pays. Loyalty pays. An bende pok naneno kama babo kiae joma loyal to him, kata kama noseloko ne joge. Ng'e. Kosa wacho marajo dalawa. Koro gi mang'eny go, ago erokamano gi rwak mane urwako go wuodwa yesterday. Piny odier nono. Jinene gi propaganda mang'eny. Nurwako wuodwa yo mapok norwago ng'ato mitaneno gi wang'a eruru kamano. Jaka chien chunye mor. Before you, Baba, are the widows of Were. I want to give so I will give Paul Were, the brother of Were, to speak on behalf of the family. Let's make it brief, to the point we give him the dignity he deserves.
Baba Raila Amolo Odinga, the Speaker of the National Assembly, the governors led by our own beloved Governor Gladys Atieno Wanga, the senators led by our Senator Moses Otieno Kajwang, members of Parliament, all leaders present, habari yenu. I'm Paul Juma Were. I just want to make only a comment. As a family, we still don't know who killed my brother. And the reason why, we still don't know. Take what I'm saying. Leave alone what people say outside there. We still don't know those who killed my brother. And we are requesting the investigative authority to speed up. Tumeona progress, and we are very happy about it. They have done a lot, but we request them to do more. Before us here are brothers of Honorable Charles Ong'ondo Were. There is my younger brother. Naitwa Nehemia Madi, is a state officer. Ni Kenya Defense Force officer. Here is Luke Were, Pia is a state officer. Here we have James Were. James Were is also a state officer. He's an officer in the county government of Homa Bay. We have our elder brother. Were was our brother, but it comes to familiar issues. Dal must take charge. So it's the elder brother of Mzee Were Oja. This side we have Pascal Ochieng. Pascal beba mkono juu. Pascal Ochieng is the son of Honorable Ong'ondo Were. We have Leslie. Leslie also is the son of Ong'ondo Were. We have Vincent, the daughter, the elder daughter of Ong'ondo Were, Vincent. We have Rian Odhiambo, the youngest son. Then Atieno, anaitwa Atieno. Mtoto anapenda mama Gladys Wanga Saidi. Saidi, ni rafiki ya mama Gladys Wanga Saidi. Then we have, I'll give them 1 minute. Only 4 people, I'll give 1 minute to talk. We have Boyd Were. Boyd Were is here. This is the Boyd Were, the second born of Ong'ondo Were. the elder son of Mheshimiwa Ong'ondo Were anaitwa Proctor Oja. Proctor Oja. Before I hand over to these ladies, our wives are there. Can you stand up? Wherever you are. Those are our wives. Honorable Speaker, ukikuja hapa leo usikose kukula. Nimeona dada yako ako pale. Usikose kukula kuku ile tumepija hapa. Hiyo itakuwa mbaya. Then we have Phyllis Juma, Jacqueline Undiwa, Lilian Otieno, Jupiter Apondi, and our mama, the baby of our elder brother is there, Gladys Otieno. I have also to thank the funeral committees, both in Nairobi and hapa. But Upondo Kaloma, Mheshimiwa Upondo Kaloma, umeni surprise zaidi. I attended your father's burial, courtesy of the MP. Chakula ilikuwa, bati umetengeneza mzuri zaidi. Hiyo Ong'ondo Were. Chakula imekuwa mingi kushinda hata ile ulitengenezea baba yako. So, tunakupenda. You have done a lot to us. The governor has done a lot to us. A lot to us. And the governor, every time mjumbe has a problem, alikuwa anasimama na mjumbe. Governor, tunakupenda. Wewe unajua tu, you are not only our governor, but wewe ni mama yetu. We are not going to cry sana. We are not going to cry sana. Awachokama, jo Kasipul, o kwa iwak ka jo maombe geno. Baba ponitie, koro kwa iwak ka jo manigi onge geno. Anan wuod baba. Nyikwa baba benitie ka. Baba kuai. Ma ke luet nyakwari moro achiel. Tieka. We will be a very important issue hapa, a very important person. Tuko na baba yangu moja yule amebaki hapa. He's not going to talk, but mzuri nimtaje. Baba yangu Weroja walikuwa watu watatu, wawili wamekufa, mmoja hako. Mzee Samuel Onyangoja. Mzee inganye. Mane baba wa Mudung kuru. Wetege no thotene Mudung. Without wasting, nasahau the committee led by Dr. Joash Allo uko nyumbani. Dr. Allo did a lot. Without him, this thing would have not been successful the way it is, in collaboration with Honorable Upondo Kaloma. Without wasting time,